I'm here today to give you a very important message about the current state of the COVID-19 pandemic here in Oklahoma and to give you some important guidance. First of all, as you are aware, we have a national shortage of test kits and healthcare providers in Oklahoma are working hard to make sure that the test kits remain available for those who are at highest risk of contracting a severe form of the disease from COVID-19. However, the vast majority of you who do develop symptoms will only experience mild symptoms beginning with a fever, then progressing to a cough. It's important in that situation not to seek care in emergency rooms or clinics where you might convey that infection to others, but rather to quarantine at home where you can stay safely away from others that you might transmit the disease to. It's also important to understand that if you do have other conditions such as heart disease, chronic lung disease, diabetes, or cancer, and you have these symptoms, that it is important to contact your healthcare provider to make them aware and help them work with you to determine whether testing is necessary. Finally, if your symptoms do progress, which would be indicated by a worsening shortness of breath, development of pneumonia symptoms such as a productive cough, chest pain, or bluish lips or tips of your fingers, then you do also need to seek care by contacting your healthcare providers or emergency response. So again, the vast majority of people who contract the infection will only have a mild disease, but it's important to recognize that you're no less infectious to others when you have these mild forms. So quarantining at home is very important. This social distancing is critical to keep others from contracting the disease and spreading it to continue the pandemic. Finally, it's important to say that this is a condition as a pandemic that goes well beyond the ability of healthcare providers, hospitals, and clinics alone to deal with the situation. It's now the responsibility of all of us to make sure that this pandemic is stopped in its tracks. So I look forward to working with all of you in Oklahoma together to get this under control.